Hello, I'm Stuart. Before we start, we want to share that this video uses AI for graphics and voice, but all the information is manually researched by our team. Here in the video, we will share the details for the Nintendo 3DS error code 002-3503. The error reads, "The server is currently undergoing maintenance. We apologize for any inconvenience. Please try again later. To learn more about maintenance, visit support.nintendo.com. As per our research, the error usually appears when trying to access online services. This error code indicates that the servers are down for maintenance and users are temporarily unable to connect. According to our research, the issue is mainly server-side and not something wrong with the device itself. To deal with the error, first, power cycle your device. Then turn off your Nintendo 3DS, then wait for a few seconds, then turn it back on. After that, try again and check if the error still comes. If the error still comes, then probably the issue will be server-side. If you are using Pretendo services, then go to their official Discord server and check if there are any recent announcements about server maintenance. If yes, then you will need to wait until the maintenance is complete. Thanks for watching. This is all we have for the error. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. See you in the next one.